All right, I found the man himself. He's got 30 seconds, so let's see what he's got to say. Mr. Dennis Anderson. What's up, buddy?
Hey, got Uncle Packy right here in the background filming me. Here's what I want you to do. I want you to subscribe to this guy right here. Check him out. Got some awesome videos, awesome pictures. This guy is a kook, but got some good stuff. Love you guys. Check this out. '19 North South is here again. Got to tell you guys, y'all bring it, come on, check it out. You got to watch this YouTube video. We're going to show you everything here tomorrow, today. Watch us.
Hey guys, Uncle Packy back with you on the next adventure. Today we're continuing on to North Carolina for actually we're going to Dennis Anderson's Muddy Motorsports Park for the North versus South Mega Truck Race, which is supposed to be one fantastic show. Supposed to be 50 plus mega truck drivers there. So today is September 13th. It's actually Friday the 13th, so I don't know if that's going to be kind of, you know what I'm saying. That could be a little good, being Friday the 13th, a bunch of horsepower and ramps and mud and jumps, and oh, it's going to be crazy. Plus, they got a tough truck challenge. Uncle Packy, that's one of my favorite, man. I love those tough trucks. Those guys, man, they get out there and they just send it. So I love it. I'm super stoked about this event. So I hope it's great. I've drove a long time to get here. I'm really dreading the drive back already, I'm just telling you. But I'm going to try to bring it for you. So we'll see how it goes. Try to get some drivers interviews and stuff like I always do. So we'll see how it goes. All right, guys, I'll get back with you. All right, 14 and a half hours. Anyway, I got to Dennis Anderson's Muddy Motorsports Park here. So I get out of the truck and dude, I just got out of the truck and first thing I do is walk into this guy. Check this guy out. Hey buddy, what's your name?
Polish Guru.
Polish Guru, Uncle Packy, man. Nice to meet you.
Doing, man? You know?
Dude, it looks like you doing some serious polishing.
Yeah, a lot of people think I blew up my meth lab, but you know how it goes.
That's right. Well,
but anyway, we're getting down. We're doing the backside of these wheels. That's what they're coming out to look like, and the backside looks like.
Well, that's pretty.
Well, this is the backside right here. Let me see. There's the backside of them.
I got you.
And I'm doing his hubs for him. So
cool.
Yep, we're getting there.
Well, buddy, I have to admit that it looks like you're getting more on you than you're on the rim, but your rims are turning out awful pretty.
I'm recycling it so I can take it home with me and use it again.
I got you. Well, dude, very nice meeting you.
What's up, Uncle Pat?
What's up, buddy? What you cooking over here?
Oh, we got a little bit of everything.
Let's see it.
Let's check out this right here.
Oh, yeah, that's what I'm talking about, buddy. You teaching them young, buddy?
That's it, man. I'm gonna send the kids up there on the power wheels.
I hear you. Good luck, man.
Thank you. try.
All right, let's get it done. I hear you. Hey guys, check this out. I know you, if you know anything about mega truck racing, you know this guy right here, Mr. Weston Anderson. What's up, buddy? Uncle
Yes,
Packy.
sir. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. Tell us a little bit about what's going on tomorrow.
It's going to be an awesome show out here. We're going to go out, race both the trucks, and honestly don't feel like tearing this truck up. It's had a lot of beatings in it today, so we're going to do one better. We're going to take Dad's truck out tomorrow. Dad had a little bit of surgery, so he's unable to drive, but Dad said, who other than you? You can do it, get in the seat and fill in for me.
Now, hey guys, this Ace in the Hole truck just got here. Let's check him out. What's up, buddy?
How you doing, man?
What's your name?
Chris Purdue. How you doing?
Chris, Uncle Packy, nice to meet you.
Yeah, man.
It's a pretty truck. Tell me about it a little bit.
Well, it's a rapid body on it. It was built by Dennis Anderson, and we got a 632 big block Ford in it.
That 632 got a blower on it?
No, naturally aspirated.
Oh, naturally aspirated?
Yeah, it's got an EFI system on it. We got that put on this winter.
I got you.
And it's doing real good. The Holly Dominator system.
Well, cool, man.
She's a rocket ship, and we're just getting her ready, man. Go have some fun with Dennis.
So y'all from Richmond?
Yeah.
Yeah, so not too long to drive for you guys.
Nah.
Well, dude, very nice meeting you,
Yeah,
and
nice meeting
good
you,
luck
Uncle
this
Packy.
weekend,
Yep.
and we'll see how you do.
All right, sounds good, man.
All right, buddy.
Thank you.
Hey guys, check out old Matt Newell right here. Y'all remember him in the Wicked Dam jumping? He wrecked. You know, he had a pretty bad crash. Hey man, he's back in North versus South right. Let's check him out. Hey man, Uncle Packy, man, what's up, buddy? Good, man. Tell me about this new buggy you got here. Badass truck.
We went lighter this year, bigger motor. Really have had a great season on the new chassis. Like a lot of success. Won the NMO championship this year.
Cool, man.
Tell you, it's been a fast truck. You know.
So what you're saying is you fix to bring it to these South boys down here?
Yeah, the North is gonna bring it.
Well, let's hear it. Fire the Joker up. Let's hear it one time.
I'm here to win.
So here we are, north versus south. So I got a Spiker over here. Let's see what he's up to. There's no telling. What's up, buddy?
Hey, buddy, how are you doing today?
Good, man. Uncle Packy. Good to see you again.
Well, of course, we're here at Dennis Anderson's place, the best of the business. Just here to have a great time. Racing my good friend Shannon O'Neill. Tanner Wright's here. Chris Booth was a good enough friend to let me drive with just one more. So great truck. So we're gonna wheel this thing. Hopefully we'll wheel it into first place today, man. I mean, we're gonna give it all it's got.
So why are you wearing a Tanner Wright shirt there, buddy?
Well, I mean, I kind of felt bad for him beating him on the TV show. So I mean, I figured I could sport him around a little bit and just give him a little bit back. But I mean, at the end of the day, I mean, I need to take this off and wear a little stinky pinky here.
Oh, no.
He can have his shirt back. I mean, I wore it around enough, so I can put it back on his.
Put it back.
Put it back on his door.
Well, give him the old kick one time, man. Oh, yeah, that's what I'm talking about. All right, buddy. Hey, good luck to you out there. Stay safe.
Got Deep Spiker